I have often seen when people suffer either financially, emotionally, in their relationships, or in their health, the commonest factor is their own guilt. Whether they agree or not, eventually, when we go deeper into the subconscious mind and the archive mind, we do trace guilt. And when they manage to forgive themselves fully, completely, they also find a lot of relief in their suffering. Money, lack of money, or complications due to money can be the result of your guilt. We often go out of integrity, out of honesty, and make several mistakes. We may have a justifiable, rational reasons for doing what we have already done, but that's logical mind conviction. Subconsciously and at soul level, you know what you're doing. And if you tend to punish yourself, money is one of the expressions that can become instrumental in self punishment. Now, you may blame others or circumstances or your stars for all that is happening to you. And yet, interestingly, when people truly forgive in a very systematic way, they find a lot of relief in their financial scenario, in their health scenario, and in their relationship scenario. If you're looking forward to some healing for yourself, certainly look at the possibility of forgiving yourself truly from the bottom of your heart. If you want the explanation of why there is a possibility of some complications or blocks related to money, certainly go for the book to be released on 21st of November 2021, and you will get your personalized message directly from the frequency of money. Read the book, ebook, or uh, join my courses and learn to resolve your financial troubles. Now, these are not the direct advices or rational advices. These are psycho-spiritual guidance for you, which will just straight apply to you. It will touch your heart. And it will inspire you to bring about a positive shift in your life, not only in money scenario, but also in your psycho-spiritual aspect of life, and also help evolve as an individual with better awareness and better insights. But why wait till the time the book is released? You can subscribe on Aatmn.com for your newsletter, and you will get messages from money directly in your mailbox. Enjoy.